This is a short how-to guide for using Explain Everything on an iPad. To use Explain Everything, obviously open the app, having downloaded it off the App Store, using one of your redeem codes. Then you'll be presented with a welcome screen. From here you can create a new slide by pressing the plus button in the top left-hand corner. Having done this, it'll let you choose some different options for your thing. Once you've created your project, this is the screen you'll be presented with. As you can see, you've got a lot of options on the left-hand side and also along the bottom. The first thing you need to know is that along the bottom you can see the slide changer. To create a new slide, press the plus button, and then to change slides and view them, you can either use the left and right arrows, or you can press on the slide 1 of X or whatever, and then it'll show you all different slides with a little thumbnail preview. You can also here change the template. Once you've done this, you can start playing around with some of the tools on the side. As you can see, you've got your basic pencil, you've got highlighter, you can draw shapes, and press and hold the shapes button to change which shape you'll be drawing. You might want to draw a star, and then you might want a shadow and a bit of a really thick border. And then you've got that, and you can use the hand tool to move it around, make it larger, and also reorientate it. The next option is a text option. Here you can just type whatever you want and it'll format it nicely. And then once you've finished, you can click on the remove keyboard button, move it around, resize it if you want a larger or smaller text box, and then you can press the green tick button to say you're finished. Once you've written text, if you want to go back and change it because you made a spelling mistake or you want to change the wording, you need to click the select icon, the top of the row on the left. You can then double click on your work, and then you can go back and change it, changing colour, font size. The next tool is found just below the text icon. It's insert an object. Here you can insert videos, photos or files from your iPad, existing sound files, maths equations, little web browser previews, a video or a photo. The next one is a simple delete tool. You have to select the object first, and then it will give you a little X in the corner. You can delete it, and there's your object gone. Another feature yet to be mentioned with Explain Everything is the feature to record what you've done. Maybe you're not in the lesson, maybe your teacher wants you to create a video, but you also want to talk over your presentation. You can press the record button. The record button will then record anything you say using the microphone, it'll record any slide changes you make, and it'll also record any laser pointing you do. Then you can go and you can change all the different sounds, play it back, scrub through the files to work out where any cuts may need to be made. The next tool down from the laser pointer is the arranging tool. Click on it, and then you can click on any of your different elements and group them together, ungroup, duplicate, copy, paste, and many other options. You can even lock your work so you can't move it accidentally. The next button is an undo button. It also provides a redo button if you want to go back on what you just did. The next one is a zoom button. Maybe you have a lot of text on your slide and when you're presenting you want to focus in on something. You can do that with the zoom feature, and it enables you to make a really, really massive slide deck that has loads of information but retains the detail, so when you're presenting it still looks great. Explain Everything, unlike many iOS applications, will not automatically save your work, so you need to make sure you save it before closing the application down. To save it, press the middle button on the right-hand set of features, and then press Save. You need to specify a name, of course, so this can be just Hello World. It really doesn't matter. You just need to make sure that you can identify it yourself without having to open all of your different files.